This next machine is called the VitaGlide. This is awesome for both your chest, your shoulders, and your back. This is a both pushing and pulling movement that is accessible to all, and is a great piece of machinery for anyone who's interested in getting a nice upper body workout. In terms of adjustments, this machine is very straightforward. All we have is one latch right here. By pulling up, you can adjust the height either down or up depending on your needs, and the handles are already set in place. In terms of seating, you want to be seated towards the end or middle of these metal bars, and then all we're going to do is press enter, press glide, and then you can set the resistance for each handle separately, and then you're just going to grab each handle and you're going to pull towards you, and then you're going to also push away from you, and you can go faster or slower depending on the resistance you want. As you can see, she's keeping her forearms aligned with the handles. She's pulling back and then pressing up. If she wanted it to be any harder or easier, she could adjust the resistance right here.